is the Prime Minister laying the foundation stone of what the government says will be Asia's biggest airport, the Noida Airport, which is said to be bigger than Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi. Once it is ready, it's estimated to be ready in 2024. The Prime Minister speaking today said this is about nation building, not politics. So, of course, this laying of the foundation stone comes just months before the UP elections. But the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister at the ceremony made his usual Jinnah jibes at ex-Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, who said today that the airport is being built so the BJP can sell it after the elections.
It was meant to be the foundation of a new airport, the atmosphere, that of a BJP election rally. A reflection of the dual significance of the proposed international airport in Noida, a major infrastructure project and a big poll plank for the BJP in the coming UP elections. The airport is supposed to be the biggest in Asia and is meant to serve the rapidly growing National Capital Region as well as acting as a gateway to western Uttar Pradesh.
Our design has everything to do with the passenger convenience. Our wish is that from day one we will be a net zero airport, that our airport will be operational by the end of September and early October 2024.
But the speeches before a massive crowd took a decisively political turn.
पहले ऐसे क्षेत्रों को एयरपोर्ट जैसी सुविधाओं से नहीं जोड़ा जाता था। माना जाता था कि दिल्ली में तो एयरपोर्ट और दूसरी सुविधा है ही। हमने इस सोच को बदला।
UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath went further, invoking Jinnah yet again, even though this was a government event.
ये देश गन्ने की मिठास को एक नई उड़ान देगा या जिन्ना के अनुयायियों से फिर दंगा करवाने की शरारत करवाएगा.
Akhilesh Yadav held a rally in Lucknow at the same time, hitting out at the BJP government over the proposed airport.
ये एयरपोर्ट इसलिए बन रहे हैं कि जिस समय एयरपोर्ट बन करके तैयार हो जाएगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसको भी बेच देगी.
With UP Assembly election just months away, BJP has announced its campaign line, the Double Engine Sarkar, with Yogi Adityanath in state and Narendra Modi in centre. How much these projects will undo the damage caused by formulas in Western UP, only time will tell. With camera person Sasi Ganja, this is Arvind Gunasekar from Jeva for NDTV.